asleep. He's at the boat, I'm sure. Where? Are we going there? Let's go. Get it broken, let's go. Bad.
Here. Let's go, bro. You're not broken. Come on.
No, you gotta take me to the hospital.
But you gotta get on the bird if you wanna ride. Let's go. Come on, dude. You almost had it. I don't know what just happened. Are you bleeding? You're not even bleeding.
I broke my skull.
You're barely bleeding on the nose, barely.
I broke my skull. Wait, no, I broke my glass.
No, the glasses aren't broken. Very good. You barely just got a feather on it. It might be chipped. No, that's just a feather.
Yeah, my glass. How? You broke in my hand, dude. You broke it.
Okay, dude, we're almost there. We literally. You want to end the ride? You want to just walk the rest of the way?
Where's Lucas?
At the boat.
My boat that I'm sleeping on?
No.
Or the white one?
Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
No. Can I see your phone for a second? Please lift it. I'm gonna get a close-up on it. Can I have a close-up on it?
Come on, dude. I don't want to play games.
You're playing games left and right.
Let's just walk. Let's just walk.